Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm doing a straight pour. I'm going to be using my metallic paints from the Montmartre series and this one's got a little bit of Amsterdam Prussian Phthalo blue with some Deco Art pewter and some Payne's grey. So let's get started. Okay, I've got my canvas here set up on a spinner and I've got my cup. This idea came from Garrick Brown Art Studios. He's been doing some straight pours and I'm just thinking maybe that wasn't the right colour to go first. It's okay, I'm going to do a couple of small colours and then I'm going to go bigger. I was going to thin these down a bit more but I haven't, so this will be a good experiment for those that have been following Garrick Brown's experiments. I'm going to go a bit bigger now. So I think his last video he used a very similar colour palette to this actually. So it'll be interesting. And let's get a little bit of the dark Payne's grey in there. And then I'll go back to the orange or the tangerine. Yeah, so I watched his videos and I thought, oh, I wonder if the Australian version can look that good. The Australian version of paint. Oh, I've got a hair in there. Yes, I did. So this is the Taubman's exterior sunproof paint with the neutral base, and I have mixed it with a little bit of Australian Floetrol because it's very thick otherwise, and this is still going to be really thick. But I love the lines that that Garrick got with his very thick paint. And we can only try these things, guys. So I encourage you to go and experiment as well. You might not have the same ingredients that other people have online because everyone's all over the world and I'm in Australia. So what I have is different again. This is actually looks really pretty together. Let's make this one a little bit thicker, I think. So I've got too many. I'm not used to doing a straight pour. But that's okay. I do want to branch out a little bit this year. Let's use up the rest of this. I don't think there's much of this one left. I was trying to, I saw the pewter that I had left over and a bit of Prussian Phthalo blue and I thought, oh, to get a bit extra, let's just mix the two together. It's turned out quite a pretty colour. And finish off with the Payne's grey. There we go. Got some different lights here today. I'm going to put my tangerine down as a base. Oh, look how thick that is. That's scary. Yeah, I've set up some different lights, so I'm hoping it'll help with the reflection a bit. I'm going to put some gloves on. Get some of those bubbles. The thicker the paint, the harder it is for the bubbles to disperse. So I'll keep a bit more of that just in case. All right. I'm excited about this. I really hope they turn out as well as this does. We'll see. Here we go. Really not used to just pouring it straight down, but I could give it a little bit of a twist. But staying in the same spot. No, I mucked that up. Can I fix it? What should we do? Should we wreck it? I think we have to. I've still got quite a bit of paint in there too, which I might pour around the outside, but I'm gonna wreck it. Yep, let's wreck it that way. Really buggered this up. I'm actually quite disappointed in that. Well, this is just really wrong. Maybe that's better. Okay. Not much I can do about it, but that's given it a little bit of interest in there. I'm going to give it a little spin and see where it needs paint. All right, spin again. Just going to stop because I want to see if I want a bit. Do I want to tilt it? Which way? I want to see it dry because I think that will fix. I'm sure I saw something. Oh, there it is. I don't think it's going to come off. Which means I'm going to have to go to tweezers. Okay, got it. So I did only just mix these paints, which is why there's so many bubbles. But I will bring you in for the wet result. Okay. So the problem with using the house paint is that it looks a bit flat. So I'm hoping once it's dry, the colours are going to come through even better. But this mistake that I made and had to try and repair, it now looks like the body of a bird or something, and these are the big wings coming out. So it works. I'll bring you in. We've got all sorts of things happening down here, some swirls. Just here I took out a piece of something, and I don't know if you can see, there's a bit of an indentation. So I don't know if it's going to smooth out and dry with an indentation. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, looking forward to seeing this dry and see if those colours pop. So I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, here is the dry result. And the colour has changed definitely. I've got some beautiful shine. The gold is a lot more gold now than it was. It was a lot more yellow before. But here's a close-up of that beautiful phoenix rising. I've got some orange bands over here. Yeah, it's very pretty. Really like this through here. See if we can get a bit of shine on that. I think this would look really nice with a coat of resin. If you have a look here, I do have a bump still there, so I didn't get it all out, which is unfortunate. It's another reason why I'm thinking maybe a coat of resin will smooth this out. It's another little bump just up there. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. Thanks to Garrick Brown Art Studio for inspiring this one. And I've got a few more interesting videos coming up. Experimenting with some different techniques that I haven't tried before, and very happy with the outcome. So look out for those, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.